Hi, Sketch Lab friends. This is not your average donut. It's a perfectly sweet surprise. Today, we're drawing a chunky Pusheen chilling in a frosted donut. And yes, there are sprinkles. So let's grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. So the shape of Pusheen is going to be a gumdrop shape. So we're starting with. Once you're happy with your shape, we're going to start adding the ears. I want you to pay attention to the size and the placement of the ears. In art, we call that proportions. It's a principle of design. And then we're going to add our other ear. And you can see I'm erasing off these construction lines. All right, we're going to add the expression. Once again, look at the size and the placement of the eyes and the mouth. It's these proportions that create these cute size relationships in the drawing. It's a key characteristic of Kawaii art. Just like those simple dotted eyes, and a tiny little expression. And I love the Kawaii style. It never lets you down. It's always good vibes. So these are going to be the paws of Pusheen. Pusheen the cat. Let's add those whiskers. And these are the little markings on Pusheen's forehead. This is going to be the shape of the donut. It's kind of like a oversized tire. All right, once you make the adjustments as needed, we'll move on to the frosting. So we're going to use these wavy lines. And the tail. And as I said before, if you don't have Posca Markers, no worries, you can use whatever you have. We're basically using colors value today. Now in the Posca paint marker set, they don't have a range of value of gray. So I'm basically using gray. I'm also using some brown. And kind of creating a custom color mix here. Get that base color down. Then once I get the base color down, then I can go in and obviously add the value and add the markings. So the value is making some areas lighter, some darker. So you can see here I'm using pink, light pink, and white on the frosting. Now I'm going with brown, light orange, apricot. A little bit of white there. And you can see by using colors value, how three-dimensional this looks. And of course we said today it comes with sprinkles. Hey guys, I want to thank you for drawing with me today, and you've got to sketch them all. Check out the playlist in the description below, or just tap on this end card.